Operations are going on very good. We have the Silk Road. CPEC is going very perfect. This is the future for, the China and Pakistan. For the generations, this is the future for all of them. And the export and import is very much improved, and especially the timing because of the Silk Road which China have built up with Pakistan. This already makes very much improvements in the import and export. The timing for the logistics is going very perfect and very faster than before. Silk Road will gonna give very good, services and effect to the all of the generation. So this is the best opportunity for both of the countries.
I am representing the Ministry of Science and Technology, SGZA. SGZA is an autonomous body of the government of Pakistan. We learned about all these cooperation between Pakistan and China. That China has a very strong service and technological background, and it is helping Pakistan very much. China and Pakistan are friends. Pak Chin Dosti Zindabad. Acha. Yeah.